How to restore a deleted Wix website. So here from the home page of Wix, we want to click on our store name and then go to all sites. So for this tutorial, I will delete one of my websites and I'll show you how we can restore it. So here from the site section, I'll just click on the three dots and then we can move this to trash. So we can now delete this website and it will be kept for 90 days. If I click on move to trash, then it's going to look like this. You will not have any sites here. So what we want to do is go to trash and locate the website which you would like to restore. So for example, let's say we want to restore this website, then all we have to do is either click on restore site here or click on the three dots next to our store name or site name and click on restore site. You're about to restore your site. Once restored, your site will remain unpublished until we publish it. So if we want to recover it, we will click on, restore here. And now if I go back to my sites, as you can see, I have both websites here. So that's how you recover or restore a Wix website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.